In the next episode, we're going to talk about Rsync. Rsync also works on top of SSH, and what it's used to do is synchronize entire files and directories between source and destination, even though they might be remote resources. So works very similar to copy, except it works entirely on directories as well. It's allowing you to also compress files during the transfer, work in archive mode where it actually preserves the permissions, ownership, timestamps, and things like that. It also works with other switches in order to modify Rsync's behavior. In the upcoming lab, we're going to go over how to use Rsync in order to sync files from source to destination. Please stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to talk about Rsync. Rsync allows you to synchronize an entire directory from a network location. So, the way it works is any directory which you want to synchronize from one server to another or from a remote location, you can synchronize it using the rsync command. This saves you having to copy singular files, and you can sync entire directories. So how it works is you are going to use the rsync command, rsync, followed by -a to actually use rsync in archive mode, and then you can give a source and destination. So the syntax is exactly like a copy command, except this will synchronize an entire directory. So we can go ahead and say that, hey, we have a remote location 102, which is over here, and we might have some directory we want to sync. So let's go ahead and create that directory. I'll open up my files and create a new directory inside the home folder. New folder, and I'll just call it new dir, new directory. All right, so let's go inside new directory from the shell. cd new dir, and now I'm in this new directory, and let's create some files here. File A, file B, file C, file D, file E, and file F. We're just simply creating some files, and again, just to double check, you can check here on the File Explorer that now we have some files, and now we want to sync that entire directory over from using rsync to from my remote location. So we can give the path as home administrator new dir, and we want to synchronize it here. All right, so again, rsync works over SSH as well. And just like that, we can synchronize an entire directory from a remote location. So here is new dir. We can see all the files have been synchronized from that remote directory. So this is using rsync. I hope you've learned something, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.